आज हम देख सकते हैं संबलपुर में पहली बार सेंट जॉन स्कूल की तरफ से वुमेन्स डे मनाया गया। आज तक कभी नहीं हुआ था, ये पहली बार है। जब से प्रिंसिपल मैम आई है तब से यहाँ कुछ ना कुछ कार्यक्रम होता है। आइए देखते हैं, छोटे छोटे बच्चे आ रहे हैं।
Thank you. Please take your seats.
Take your places, please.
Now, with a deep sense of honor and privilege that this time we are celebrating first International Women's Day at JSW Utkal, and our chief guest, we have been able to invite Dr. Pushpanjali Panda, who happens to be the Sub-Collector of Sambalpur. Thank you, ma'am, for sparing some of your precious time for us. I would like to say a few words on our chief guest on this occasion. Pushpanjali Panda ma'am is a 2010 pass out, having done her graduation in veterinary science. She has done her masters in veterinary science in 2013. And in both the occasions, she has been awarded gold medalist. Topper in Odisha Civil Services examination of 2011. She is a huge inspiration for all the women aiming for administrative services. Ma'am has and successful rehabilitation and resettlement in the history of Odisha and probably of India in the lowest and shortest time possible in the Lower Suktel project. Ma'am has recovered 70 acres of government land from the clutches of land mafias, a first of its kind in recent history of revenue administration in Odisha. Ma'am has done eviction of houses of criminals built on government land in Balangir while she was Tahsildar there and on the valuable land in the heart of Odisha. And also a closure.
First of all, I would extend my heartfelt thanks to JSW Energy Unit Division for inviting me for today's program. And if it's okay, I can speak in Hindi, English, Odia?
Yes, ma'am.
So, on the occasion of International Women's Day, first of all, I congratulate all the beautiful women sitting here. To start with, at morning I had a program at Hindalco. Ma'am was there. So the audience was a bit different. But here the audience is completely different than the morning program. So I will keep my speech brief. Because whatever I am seeing here, all are empowered. यहाँ पे जितने लोग बैठे हैं, जितनी महिलाएं बैठी हैं, definitely you all are empowered women. That is why you are here. So I don't think I have much to say. Like Sonali said, achievements are a different thing. But being a woman, मतलब जो महिलाएं हैं, I think you can very well understand. There's a saying, अपने सपनों के लिए अपनों को छोड़ना पड़ता है. और कभी-कभी अपनों के लिए अपने सपनों को छोड़ना पड़ता है. There are two different scenarios. So जब लेडीज होते हैं तो दूसरा वाला काम आता है. सपनों के लिए अपनों को छोड़ना पड़ता है, अपनों के लिए सपनों को छोड़ना पड़ता है. जब लेडीज होते हैं ना, when we see dreams, we have to think a lot of things. We have to think about parents. We have to think about our children. We have to think about our husband. We have to think about our in-laws. We have to think about the society. We have to think a lot of things. So that is one restriction a lady always faces. And at the cost of repetition, madam shouldn't get bored. I'll just again repeat few things I said at morning. That being the sub-collector of Sambalpur and particularly being a lady officer is very, I will not say it is challenging. लेकिन लोगों के दिमाग में ये है, congratulations, I was being flooded with questions कि will you be able to manage or not? Why? Because बड़े बड़े सब डिविजन्स में लेडी ऑफिसर्स को पोस्टिंग नहीं देते हैं. They always try to find out simple districts like Sonpur, Deoghar, Bodh, where the litigations are very less. So ladies are always given posting in small districts where disputes are not there. So in my case, it was the first of its kind where a very big subdivision was allotted to one lady officer. So everybody used to say कि मैनेज कर पाओगे या नहीं. So दिमाग में था ना कि what my predecessor was doing, ऐसा क्या करते थे कि जो मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी. तो कुछ तो डिफरेंस होना चाहिए कि क्यों लेडी ऑफिसर मैनेज नहीं कर पाएंगे. And later on when I joined, what I found that it was more smooth for me than my predecessor. Why? Because ladies have a very particular character. Since on International Women's Day, I don't want to sound biased, but physically strength males का होता है. भगवान ने उनको बनाया है वैसे because of the hormones or whatever it is there. Similarly, on an emotionally background, ladies are more sympathetic, more empathetic, they are more patient. So the key in administration, what I have heard is that, and what people used to hesitate. मतलब जो ऑफिसर हैं they never gave time because of different commitments. तो इनिशियली लोगों को लगता था कि यार लेडी सब कलेक्टर है क्या करेगी, मतलब होगा नहीं उनसे. ग्रेजुअली लेटर जब धीरे धीरे ग्रीवेंसेस आने लगे एंड वी यूज्ड टू हैंडल देम सो स्मूथली, सो नाइसली, व्हिच वाज आल्सो रिफ्लेक्टेड इन द लास्ट जनरल इलेक्शन 2024, wherein my office had out of 30 staffs I have 25 lady staffs. That is the only office in Sambalpur where 95% of the staff are ladies. और डिस्ट्रिक्ट में ना क्या होता है, जिस भी लेडीज का पोस्टिंग होता है they dump it there in सब कलेक्टर ऑफिस. This is smoothest management मेरे ऑफिस में होता है. I can guarantee you that, and Sonali is a witness to it. As compared to other offices. क्यों? क्योंकि फीमेल्स लेडी स्टाफ वो अपना काम सिस्टमेटिकली करते हैं. Listen to people, they give ideas. So what the mentality is among an unofficial meeting, I'll tell you, people also come to just have a look on our faces. देखने के लिए भी आते हैं.